Okay, welcome back guys. So today I'm sharing with you some print-on-demand products that you can make and sell online today. And each one of them guys is making between $1,000 and $10,000 per month in profit. And each of them can be made with the help of AI. So in today's video guys, I'm going to show you how to make every single one of them from the comfort of your own laptop anywhere in the world. And all of them can be sold very easily on my sales platform of choice, which is Etsy, which I personally use to make some pretty decent revenues on over the last few years. So let's start with the first product guys, and this is cottage core desk mats. Okay, so this is the product here guys, and you can see on Etsy it's a bestseller. And now the cottage core style, it's always been pretty popular on Etsy, and I'm going to show you guys how AI can quite literally make this on AutoPilot. But first I just want to show you this product has made 800 plus sales on Etsy in total, and it's currently bringing in guys $2,300 a month, or around $3,000 per month if you're in the US audience. And now to make these desk mats guys, we're going to be using the print on demand business model. And now I'm sure you've heard of it, but if you haven't, this basically just means we're the ones making the design, and then we're going to upload it to a print on demand supplier platform such as Printify, where they're then going to basically print our designs onto the blank canvas and then ship it directly to the customer only after the customer has placed an order. So this makes it one of the most beginner friendly, almost passive business models that you could possibly sell online. And so to actually make these guys, let's first head to Printify and find a blank canvas desk mat that we actually want to add our designs onto. And now I'm going to recommend this particular desk mat that's on screen guys, because quality does matter when you're selling in print on demand, and they are a very reliable supplier. And you can see here, importantly, the cost to make the product on Printify is £6.45 for the smallest size, which is 18 by 12, with £4.40 shipping on top of that. And now if you go to Etsy, you can see the best seller here in this listing at the 18 by 12, so the same size on Printify we just looked at, that's being sold for £24 plus guys, with, if you see here, a pretty high shipping cost. So you can see it's a pretty good price on Printify guys, and this can be a very profitable product for you. And then if we go to actually start designing the product on Printify, you can see what the mat looks like, and you'll also see this blank area, which is exactly where our design that we're going to make together, that's where that's going to go. So of course, now guys, we actually need to make a winning design. And for this, I'm going to head to our good friend ChatGPT first of all, and I'm just going to ask it to give me some prompts that I can actually use to create the cottage core art designs with. And again, as always guys, feel free to pause and copy all of these prompts if you want. I want them here for you to copy, to use, to make money with. Just another thing I'm going to do as well is grab the URL of the Etsy listing so that we can actually use it as a style reference. So we're just referencing the style here within the prompt. And then you see it's going to give us a few prompts that we can use to create our own artwork with. So we then guys, we just want to copy the first one, and now feel free to use any AI image generator you want. I'm going to use Leonardo AI for this one because I personally think Leonardo AI is the best for these fantasy sort of gothic designs. But like I said, there's other very solid options out there, Midjourney, KITTL, plenty of options out there. And now if you are going to use Leonardo, what you want to do to create the same artwork I'm about to create, illustrative albedo model, set the dimensions to 16 by 9, and also in the advanced model section guys, you want to use albedo base. And then you just want to paste the prompts in and actually start to create the artwork. And now this is one thing I'm going to say, they might not all be perfect. This is an AI generator at the end of the day. They're not all going to be perfect exactly how we want, but you will get some guys that's going to look pretty good. And then once we have found some designs that we do like a lot, then just make sure to upscale the good ones. And then guys, we want to head over to Printify. And like I showed you earlier, we're actually going to upload the designs that we've got now into the blank canvas. And then once you're happy with where the designs sit in, you can then hit preview, and we're going to see what the finished product is actually going to look like, which, yeah, you know what? I think it looks pretty decent. I don't know about you. I think that looks pretty good. And then from there, guys, uploading to Etsy is pretty straightforward with Printify, as literally everything from the Printify platform is linked directly to your Etsy shop. So all of the work with fulfillment, ordering, shipping, all of that is taken completely out of your hands. It's very easy to set up. And guys, by the way, if you did want to get started selling this product or any other print on demand product for that matter, then I did manage to get you a 30-day free trial for Printify Premium. And now Printify Premium gives you massive discounts on product costs, guys, which makes your business just so much more profitable. Honestly, it's absolutely unreal. If you're doing more than 10 orders a month, it doesn't make sense to not get Printify Premium. And if you are going to choose any print platform, then I do recommend Printify, because it's not just me saying it, is it? Everybody uses Printify. There are some others out there, but I think it's pretty well established that Printify is definitely one of, if not the best platform out there. So yeah, guys, if you want to check them out, premium for free, there is going to be a link in the video description. And just remember to use the code Alfie30 at checkout. Otherwise, it won't be free for you. But yeah, moving on to the next product now. And this is summer style phone cases. So as we can see here again, guys, this is the product on Etsy, and it's actually really aesthetic. So it is summertime in England. How I'm wearing a jumper filming, I don't know, but you can see here it's marketed beautifully, like really nice pictures, and it's a very strong bestseller on Etsy. And if we actually go to Etsy in general, guys, you can see there's lots of other popular now and bestseller like beachy sort of style phone cases on Etsy, which are all doing pretty well. And of course, guys, like most of these products I'm going to show you, the same design style. Of course, it can be used on other print on demand products as well, such as wall art, tumblers, apparel, you name it, you could probably make use of it. And so to make these ones, guys, I want to show you a different method to the first one. And what we're going to do is start by taking a screenshot of the design, because again, we're going to use this as our style reference. And then what we're going to do is head to ChatGPT, and we're going to use a variation of this prompt that you can see on screen now. And if you read the prompt, guys, I've added some unique design aspects such as starfish and coral. I've attached the image, and then yeah, let's see what this gives us. So we can see here, this is the design, and I think it looks pretty nice, to be fair. And obviously change the prompt to suit whatever design you want to make, guys. Okay, this isn't set in stone. Be creative, completely up to you. But anyway, once you get a design in that style that you're happy with, again, we're just going to download the design, head over to Printify, and now we're going to search up phone cases, and you will be presented with a lot of options here, guys, right? There is a lot of phone cases for sale on Printify, but the best one in this case, pardon the pun, is WOYC. The reason is because I think it's very good quality. I've sold phone cases from them before. They are good quality. I can vouch for that. But also, they've got supplier locations in different continents. So this means that you can sell pretty much worldwide from the same supplier and keep that quality control. So anyway, with these phone cases, we can now start designing, and you just want to make sure to select all of the different variations here that you want to sell. And I definitely recommend covering all of the iPhone cases, guys, because we all know that that is the most superior phone. And come on, guys, if you're a Samsung lover, give me some hate in the comments. Let's get at it. Let's start the phone war. I'm an iPhone man. But anyway, guys, let's drop the design in. And now one good thing about phone cases is that you don't need to upscale images from ChatGPT, because they're already usually pretty high resolution DPI for the phone cases, okay? It's not a big surface area, so the DPI is normally okay. Then, of course, guys, just want to go look at the preview, make sure it's all good. And now, if I do say so myself, I would say that's a pretty neat design. And so, yeah, I'm happy with that. But now let's look at the next product, guys. And this is going to be poorly drawn shirts. And so this is a product on Etsy, guys. And now you have almost definitely seen, if you've been shopping or making products on Etsy before, the silly goose trend. It looks familiar, but there's a lot of people, right? It's not as straightforward and easy to make as you might think. And there's a lot of people that always worry how to make this silly goose trend design, and also actually making new, unique and improved variations of the design. And that's exactly what I'm going to show you now. But yeah, as you can see, guys, bestseller on Etsy. And if you look at the stats on Everbee as well, you can see this particular one, it's only been listed for 5 months and it's already making 50 plus sales a month. And just in general, guys, I'm on Etsy every day. I can vouch for this. The silly goose trend, it is still very, very, very popular. And there is a lot of people that are listing products and they're becoming bestsellers in a short space of time, even to this day. And so, of course, we want to make our own unique variations of this trend, all right? We want to put something new out there. So first, of course, we're going to start by taking a screenshot of this existing bestseller. And now this is just so that we can get that same hand-drawn style reference, guys. And then just like we've been doing, guys, I added it to ChatGPT and used the prompt that you can see on screen. And now this is just going to make us a base design. So just a very basic design. And yeah, spoiler, this isn't going to be the final design. We are going to amend this and make it 10 times better, but we do need a base design to work from. So you can see here what it made. And now again, like I said, it's not bad, but we can definitely be a bit more creative with this. So what I did, guys, was go ahead and open up a new chat and ask it to make me some unique short quotes that are going to go along with that same silly goose trend. And if you can see here, guys, the ones it gave me were actually pretty good, but I particularly like the honk one because I think it can be tied in with that like muscly hunk style good that I was like thinking in my head. So like a goose with like big hunk muscles, hunk, honk, play on words, you know, so I think that could have been the coolest one. And so basically just went back into the original design and I used the new quote to make something unique. And guys, oh my God, you see this design, right? This is a funny, unique design. Like that goose with the muscles, that is a cool design in my mind. And you know, I feel like sometimes AI, it gets a lot of hate. I noticed it sometimes, like some people just really don't like AI, but there is no arguing what it can do in terms of a business is so cool. And yeah, that design certainly put a smile on my face, and I'm sure it'll put a smile on some other people's faces as well. And I'd have no problem selling this. But anyway, guys, for this one, it really depends what product you want to put it on. But say we do go ahead and put it on a t-shirt, then in that case, we will need to upscale the image. So like always, use whatever image upscaler you like. There's plenty out there. I use KITTL just because I have it anyway, and it's simple enough to do on there. Then guys, you just want to head over to Printify. And of course, we're going to select whatever t-shirt or whatever item of clothing you actually want to put the design on. And now there's lots of different t-shirts to choose from here, guys, but I personally like Comfort Colors 1717. That is a trending t-shirt. It is very high quality, guys, and you can go ahead and choose Monster Digital, you know, highest rated supplier. They're absolutely fine to choose from. And yeah, I recommend this over the Printify network system because working with one supplier, it just helps to keep things a lot more quality controlled and a lot more consistent. So yeah, then guys, you just want to upload the design, position it however you think is going to look good, and then boom, I think that is pretty damn good. And with some high quality mockups, 100% believe that this is a design that you would be able to sell on Etsy and would definitely make you some money. And now I just want to give you a quick little bonus tip here with this one, guys, right? Because I do get asked this a lot. So you see the design in this one is blue, but what if you then wanted to put that same blue design on a different colored shirt, say like on a black shirt, right? You can kind of see here, blue on black doesn't really look that good. And to be honest, the design, it'd be a lot better if it was made in white or pretty much any other color to go on this shirt. And so I just want to really quickly show you guys how to change the color of a design, and this works with pretty much any design. So I like to go to Canva, open up a 3000 by 3000 document, and you want to upload the design just to the blank document, click edit, scroll down, guys, and then you're going to see an at on the left hand side. It's called duotone, and here you can actually select the individual color tones of your design, and you can change them to whatever you like. So I can very easily just select the color white, and it's going to change that for all of the lines in the design. And then you'll see matched up with a different color background, the design is now a very crisp white. And so when I go out to Printify, to make the white design on the black, we can select this make specific design for this color option. So that then, guys, we're only going to be updating the design on the black shirt, and the white shirt is going to stay with the blue design. So then we're going to add in the white goose, and you can see now, guys, this looks much better against that black shirt, whilst we've also, like we said, we've kept the blue design on the white shirt. So yeah, great little tip here, guys, because I get asked this all the time. And another question I get asked all the time, guys, is how to access the prompts, or like if I can supply all the prompts for these videos. And yeah, there is a lot of prompts, guys. I've done a lot of these sorts of videos. They're all available in the Etsy Accelerator community, guys, along with all of my training courses, daily trending product ideas, just like the trending ideas that I featured in this video. It's an amazing community. If you want to check it out, there is just going to be a link in the video description. Otherwise, guys, if you wanted some other free content on YouTube and some other amazing product ideas of what to sell on Etsy using AI, then I do recommend you check out this video here. Got some absolute gems listed. Otherwise, just want to say thank you so much for your time today. Really appreciate you watching. Take good care of yourself. I'll see you on the next one. Cheers, guys.